Philips 3200 series fully automatic espresso machine with LatteGo. Enjoy your favorite coffees for your special moments, whether you crave for an espresso, a coffee, or a milk-based recipe. Your fully automatic espresso machine delivers a perfect in-cup result with no hassle and in no time. Top your coffee off with a silky smooth layer or milk froth. The LatteGo mix milk and air at high speed in the one frothing chamber, then adds a splash-free creamy layer of milk froth to your cup at just the right temperature. Two-part milk system has no tubes or hidden parts and can be cleaned in as little as 50 seconds on the tap or in the dishwasher. Intuitive touch display allows you to easily select your favorite coffee, adjust the strength and quantity of your beverage with the My Coffee Choice menu, easily choose from 3 different settings to suit your preferences. Durable ceramic grinders can be adjusted in 12 steps, so you can turn your beans into anything from ultra fine powder to coarse grindings. Grinders are 1000% pure ceramic, extremely hard and precise, so you can enjoy fresh automatic coffee for at least 2,000 cups. The aqua clean water filter ensures you make the most out of your fully automatic coffee machine. By changing the filter at machine request, you will not need to descale your machine for up to 5,000 cups. While enjoying clean and purified water, once AquaClean is installed in your coffee machine, the descaling notification alarm is automatically deactivated.